Krist Novoselic, bassist of the legendary band Nirvana, recently sat down with NME to discuss the 30th anniversary of their groundbreaking album Utero. In addition to reminiscing about the album's impact, Novoselic also touched upon the potential of using artificial intelligence (AI) to complete and restore unreleased Nirvana music. Inutero, released on September 21, 1993, marked a significant departure from Nirvana's commercially successful previous album, Nevermind. It delved into darker and more introspective themes, reflecting the band's tumultuous mindset at the time. Novoselic highlighted how the album's raw and honest sound resonated with fans worldwide, establishing it as a seminal piece of music history. When asked about the potential for using AI to restore unfinished or unreleased Nirvana songs, Novoselic expressed his curiosity and openness to the idea. He acknowledged that there are various demos and recordings from the band's extensive archive, some of which were left unfinished or never released. Novoselic mused that utilizing AI algorithms could offer a unique opportunity to collaborate with late frontman Kurtcobain and potentially create new music that adheres to Nirvana's signature style. Novoselic emphasized the importance of maintaining the integrity of Cobain's artistic vision, stating that any usage of AI technology would require careful consideration. He noted that while AI could be a valuable tool in restoring old recordings, it would ultimately depend on how it was implemented and whether it aligned with the band's original intentions. Furthermore, Novoselic addressed the possibility of the surviving Nirvana members, himself included, releasing new material. He acknowledged that it is a complex subject, particularly due to Cobain's passing in 1994. He explained that any release of previously unreleased Nirvana tracks or new material would require thoughtful decision-making, ensuring that it respects Cobain's musical legacy while remaining true to the band's ethos. Novoselic's comments highlight the ongoing relevance and impact of Nirvana's music, even 3 decades after the release of Inutero. The potential use of AI technology to complete and restore unfinished Nirvana recordings opens up intriguing possibilities for fans and musicians alike, although it is imperative to approach such endeavors with sensitivity and respect for the band's artistic vision. The prospect of new material from the surviving members remains uncertain, but it is a topic that continues to provoke thought and discussion among music enthusiasts worldwide.